the way down to John Deere down in Bridgeport. Go out here and pick up a backhoe. We're getting on seasonal rent. I was going to play a trick on Miss Kay and tell her I bought it. I got a good deal on it, and I couldn't pass it up. I had to buy it. But I was afraid that she'd get really mad. Make me sleep in the office for a few days, and I don't know if I can sleep that many days in the dirty office or not. And don't get me wrong, me and her's gotten into it before, and I thought to myself, I'll show her, I'll go sleep in the office. And I don't hurt nobody but myself, because I can't hardly move or anything for the next 2 days. The couch is a good sitting couch, but it ain't a good sleeping couch. So we're on our way down here. We're going to go down here and get this backhoe and get headed back. We got Stone's truck and they're hauling in gravel for the next job we've got going on. It's the closest job I've ever done in my life, close to the house. It is, I can literally see it from my back window of the house. I can see it from the, I can see it from the office, from the dirt office front porch. So, we got a pretty good gig going if we can get the weather to cooperate for us, but we'll have to just wait and see, I guess. See what comes up. Had some pretty good snows all around us. We ain't had none for our area. We haven't got anything hardly. We got just a bunch of rain, just cloudy and down and dreary. Looking day, ain't got nothing really good. So, but they're hauling in some stone for us. And I'm going to take the skid steer, and I pushed it up pretty good. I'm going to take the backhoe and keep it pushed up. They've hauled in 4 loads so far, so we got about 100 tons or so laying down here to Crusher Run. Pretty good mound to Crusher Run, to be honest. Good looking stone. It's from a new quarry they opened up, I think last year or year before last, something like that. I think that it's now coming online publicly, but here's our lucky stone there. Oh, Sean, that's a good looking truck.
Where are you going, Dollar?
Go out here and fetch his backhoe. I got derailed this morning. Didn't get to go down there yet. I'm headed there now.
Be careful.
Project. I got her pushed up. You got your little friend back there. Just sit in charge. I'll be back here in a few. I'll get her all pushed up.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks, sir. So that's what we got going on. Well, we come down here to pick her up, and by God, I think she's a brand damn new one now. Look at here. Brand new. I don't even think anything's even been in the bucket. I don't even think anything's even been in the bucket. It says next service is 250 hours, so it probably ain't never even been run. Well, it's got a few options. I mean, it's pretty loaded up. Here's got D. I think the other ones were the 310s. I had a 310 SG. Pilot controls. Of course, I think everything's pilot controls now. Yeah. It ain't even been used. Look there, the extender hose. Extender hose still locked. Oh man. We'll let her warm up there a little bit on the heater. Well, here she is. This thing is brand new. Brand new machine. Look there. It's got 5.5 hours on it. Brand new machine. The last one I had of this, I had a Super SG. Super G is what I had. And it's so nice. This thing, it's got different. I think this is the one, the D. If you put it in D, it's got like drive modes. It's like an automatic transmission, like a car. So we're gonna push this. Let's push this rock up here, get it mounted up so I can get some more trucks in here and see what she does. Well, it got a little bit dark on me, but I did get. I don't know if you all can see all that gravel or not. There's about 220 ton or so of it. I've been using the backhoe to push it up and didn't get much footage of that, but I did get to run it, and man, it's nice. It is nice. It's so strong, so much power, smooth. I mean, it's hard to beat a Deere on anything, I think, and especially a backhoe. Their backhoes are they're just awesome. They're awesome. They're awesome machines. So, big thumbs up from the KD here on the backhoe. So, I'd definitely buy an SL.